Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, I'm Maria Warninder and welcome to my channel. So yesterday, I received a parcel from Amazon. But I did not order anything from Amazon, so I am guessing this might be the parcel I've been waiting for since October. I want to open this first to make sure that this is the one that I've been waiting for. Okay, let's unbox this together, guys. I'm so excited what's inside in this parcel. I was surprised when I opened the door yesterday and I saw this outside. So I hope this is the one. Oh yes, this is the one. So this is the one I've been waiting for a long time. What I have here is the Olafus RGB light. Olafus RGB light, yay! Finally, it's already here. By the way, I did not order this one. The Olafus company reached out to me last October. They said that they will send me a free product in exchange of doing a product review. So yes, it's finally here. I actually lost hope that I will still get this one because it was supposed to arrive October 25. But then I thought it was gone missing because it's already now 3rd of December. So yeah, I received this yesterday and oh, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for a long time. So let's unbox this together, guys. I can't wait. It's a small box. Olafus LED light. By the way, all the links I will put it all down in the description below. They have website in Amazon, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. So all the information will be in the description below. Okay, let's unbox this together, guys. Okay, this one, the Olafus LED floodlight outdoor 15 watts. This is a 15 watts only. RGB color changing floodlights with remote control, and there has 11 colors, 2 modes, DIY, timing, IP66, waterproof, garden light for party, Halloween, Christmas. And this one is the UK plug, as you can see. 2 packs as well. And so the brand is Olafus. The color is this is an RGB, and the material is plastic coated aluminum, and the style is a modern light fixture form floodlights, and the room type is outdoor. So you can use this indoor or outdoor for if you have party at home, any party, if you want to do a disco in the house, yes, you can use this one. So built-in newly developed timing chip allows you to set your favorite color or mode to automatically turn on and off on time every day, which makes life more convenient and cost on electricity less. Also, with memory function, this color changing light will stay at your last setting when turned on again. No need to reset it. So as you can see in the remote, there is this is the remote look like. There is a 2 hours or 6 hours, so you can set it for 2 hours or 6 hours. It depends how long you want to set this floodlights. So for me, I'll probably set it for only 2 hours because the electricity is a bit expensive at the moment, and also there's a flash or a mode, so it depends on your mode, and there has different colors. Here 2, 1, and here's another one, and with 2 remote controls here. So I can't wait to try this out for you guys and see what it look like. I'm so excited. Okay, let's try this out.
They call me a god. 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 Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test.
So guys, I want to show you an example. If you want an steady light, you just have to press the color that you want. So for example, this one is color green, so now I'm going to press yellow. So yeah, it's changed into yellow. And if you want some light blue, it stays as light blue. And also if you want the purple, this stays purple. So I think I prefer this color. And pink, oh, like that, I like that also. And also this one, oh, they're all actually very nice. So yeah, for this one example, I'm going to use now the flashing color. Okay, so we have 11 colors, and so it's changing now into different colors. And if you want fade, this one, fade. And you can also adjust the light if you want it lower. I think that's the highest light now, so I'm gonna put it lower light. So now it's a bit lower now. Yeah, oh yeah. So and if you want it higher light, you just choose the higher, this one. And also it says switch on and off, so if you want to turn it off, it's gone. Turn it on, back. Okay, that's it. Amazing product. Did you see? Wow, this is so amazing. I can't believe it. It's very nice. I only use one, and the light is very good, very bright, different colors. So the Olafus collection, they have a website, olafus.com. so I'll put their link down in my description. So they do RGB accent lights for 4-pack and 18-watt ceiling light, and also they have a fairy lights warm white 16-pack and 32.8 feet 6000 K daylight white led strip light, and they have a 80-watt security light and a dusk to dawn security light black, and a floodlight 2-pack and a Wi-Fi RGB CW floodlights 2-pack as well. Best way to light up your home for Halloween and also for Christmas and for any, occasions. And also featured with IP6 waterproof and better heating diffusion. Olafus LED floodlights outdoor offers a stable performance under most weather condition. Ideal garden light and stage light for garden, patio, park, landscape, building, yards, and street. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy my video, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel down below, and thank you so much. Bye.